Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Pearl Rosemont. The Pearl Rosemont, it's in the Montrose area, and this is the A5 floor plan. So the A5 floor plan, and it's just gorgeous. It's got about 750 to 770 square feet. Really nice use of space. I just wanted to show it off to you. It's got a beautiful kitchen. Look at the kitchen, it's just gorgeous. It's got really white and kind of creamy and white tones in here, and a really nice kind of lighter floor. It's got a beautiful island, so you can have maybe 3 bar stools under there, not even need a table, and just a lot of storage really for anything you need. You got a pantry, like a full pantry storage around there, and then all your nice appliances, and really a lot of space here. So you can have your sectional in here if you want to. You might even have room for a small table, maybe a bistro table there too. So lots of space, and then you are going to have this balcony, really nice balcony, pretty good size, and views of the city that look like this. So it's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous views. So this is what it looks like here. Let's take a quick peek into the bedroom. The bedroom looks delightful, very, very nice. And then this also has a dual sink bathroom. So super dual sink, mega big mirror. And then this has a full walk-in shower and a tub that's separated. How super nice is this? This is really, really pretty. And then it's got a closet that looks like this. This is just delightful. Let's peek on that. Okay, I wanted to get some light for you on that. Isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful one bedroom. Lots of functionality. I love this, by the way. Whoa, I love just the separate walk-in shower with the tub, and so much space. It'd be a perfect floor plan for you. Why don't you take a tour of this? Send me a text and just say, hey, I'd like to do maybe an iPhone tour to start out with. That's really easy. We can set that up even today. And my number is below. Just say hi. Send me a text and say, let's do a tour. Let's do an iPhone tour.